Hi, I'm Dan from PiPcall, a London-based telecoms company. We have developed a business phone system in an app. There are a number of benefits that you can get from employing a mobile-first business phone system strategy. Ironically, one of them is less reliance on these. But I don't mean the personal mobile, I mean constantly supplying business mobiles to all of your staff. It can be very costly, not only with the price of new mobiles, but also the maintenance and administration of them. So what causes an over-reliance on business mobile phones? There are three main reasons. Reason one, staff using mobile phones instead of an actual business phone system. Reason two, a history of all staff receiving business mobile phones, even though they may not need them. Reason three, staff not using their assigned business mobile phones at all. How does the PiPcall app and Mobile Plus technology help reduce the reliance on business mobile phones in an organization? There can be two types of people in the organization. People that really need a business mobile phone and people that just need mobile communications. For people that really need a business mobile phone, you can still supply them with that handset. But for everybody else, you can supply the PiPcall app. They still get their own mobile number, texting capabilities, and a call and text package all on the app. But you don't have to supply them with the handset. PiPcall is a business phone system in a mobile app. That means you can still have people working out and about on their mobiles, but they're all connected to a phone system. So unlike individual business mobiles, where everybody has their own number, but they're not connected to any one system, PiPcall and its mobile app is basically a phone system on their mobile. So that means no matter where they are, they're still connected to PBX capabilities. For example, ring groups. You can have a whole team of salespeople or support people located all over the country. Some in the office, some at home, some in other remote offices. But because they've got the app on their phone, they're all connected to that one system. The PiPcall app uses the mobile voice network to call, just like a normal mobile call. It doesn't use the internet or Wi-Fi or mobile data. That means when you're out and about or in areas where Wi-Fi is poor, your call quality is going to be high. So, if your business is over-reliant on business mobile phones and you're looking for a solution that is still mobile but cost-effective, visit our website or talk to us and we can take you through the business mobile phone system in an app.